everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fazahayuna Ashifa and my ID student 121. Today, I would like to talk about a topic that is very relevant to many college students, which is recognizing and preventing academic burnout among college students. As college students, we often face various academic responsibilities, such as assignment, presentation, examination, and deadline. While these challenges are a normal part of student life, excessive pressure over a long period of time can affect both our academic performance and our mental well-being. Therefore, through this presentation, we will discuss how to recognize academic burnout, understand its cause and effect, and learn some simple ways to prevent it. Before we begin, I would like you to take a moment and reflect on yourself. Have you ever felt tired even after getting enough rest? Have you ever struggled to concentrate while studying? Or perhaps you have lost motivation to complete a segment and participate in class activities. If your answer is yes, you are not alone. Many students experience these feelings. Unfortunately, they are often considered normal stress or ordinary fatigue, even though they can be early signs of burnout. So, what exactly is academic burnout? Academic burnout is a condition of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged academic pressure. It is more than simply feeling tired after studying or completing a segment. Burnout occurs when a person gradually loses energy, motivation, and the ability to cope with academic demands. For example, a student who used to be enthusiastic about attending class might become uninterested and interest is easily exhausted and lack the energy to carry out daily activities. There are several factors that can contribute to academic burnout among students. One of the most common causes is having too many assignments and deadlines at the same time. In addition, the pressure to achieve academic performance can create significant stress. Students are also often required to balance their studies, organizational activities, part-time jobs, and personal lives. When these demands continue for a long period without sufficient rest, the rise of experiencing burnout become much higher. Burnout can be identified through various signs and symptoms. Physically, individuals may experience content fatigue, headaches, or sleep disturbance. Emotionally, they may become more irritable, anxious, lose motivation, or feel emotionally overwhelmed. Behaviorally, burnout may appear in the form of procrastination, difficulty concentrating, and decreased productivity. When the symptoms persist over time, it is important for us to pay attention to our being and seek appropriate support. If burnout is not addressed properly, it can affect many aspects of a student's life. Academically, it might lead to lower performance because students find it difficult to focus and stay motivated. Psychologically, burnout can increase stress, anxiety, and emotional exhaustion. Furthermore, relationships with friends and family might also be affected, as individuals tend to withdraw from social interaction. For this reason, burnout should never be considered a minor issue. The good news is that burnout can be prevented. First, it is important to manage time effectively and prioritize tasks. Second, students should set realistic goals that match abilities. Third, taking regular breaks and getting enough rest are essential. Maintaining healthy sleep habits and a balanced lifestyle is also very important. We should remember that being productive does not mean working non-stop. Sometimes, what we truly need is not to work harder, but to rest better. In addition to managing time effectively, students should also practice self-care. Self-care does not mean being lazy or avoiding responsibilities. Instead, it is a way of taking care of our physical and mental well-being so that we can continue functioning effectively in our daily life. Example of self-care include getting enough sleep, engaging in like exercise, enjoying hobbies, and spending quality time with family and friends. Although these activities may seem simple, they can have a significant positive impact on our mental health. In conclusion, academic burnout is a condition of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged academic pressure. It can affect motivation, concentration, academic performance, and overall well being. However, by recognizing the second early, managing time effectively, and practicing self care consistently, the risk of burnout can be reduced. Before I end this presentation, I would like to invite Before I end this presentation, I would like to invite you to take a moment for self-reflection. Ask yourself, have, of, I, have I ever experienced some of the signs of burnout discussion today? And if the answer is yes, And if the answer is yes, what small step can I take starting today to better care for my mental health? Because in the end, taking care of our mental health is just as important as achieving academic success. That concludes my presentation on academic burnout among college students. I hope this presentation has helped us better understand the importance of maintaining our mental well-being while facing academic challenges. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.